Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside Roblox Studio. First actions matter. Open the place and make sure Explorer and properties are visible so you can target objects directly. Once done, duplicate the place or save as to keep a backup in case adjustments break something. Now locate the camera, humanoid root part, or GUI element whose view details are wrong. Inspect their properties immediately. That's where offsets, field of view, camera type, and camera subject live. This gives you direct control to change how the scene is displayed. Next, you'll make the meaningful edits that fix the view. If you need full control, set camera type to scriptable and drive it with a local script. For player-driven seating, use custom or attach. Change field of view to tighten or widen perspective, then adjust camera. See frame or position to reframe the subject. For UI misalignment, open screen GUI properties, use canvas scalar settings, and verify reset on spawn. Make sure camera subject points to the correct humanoid or part, so the view follows the intended object. Finish by testing your changes across contexts. Play solo, start server with clients, and mobile if relevant. Observe camera transitions, UI anchoring, and responsiveness. If something looks off, roll back to your backup or undo incremental changes until the problem is isolated. Make sure to smooth motion with interpolation using render step to avoid jitter, and reassign camera subject if it loses tracking. If issues persist, check scripts for overriding camera values and disable them while diagnosing so your edit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.